Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Trust Wallet. For that, you just have to simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and over here, you just have to simply tap on buy. Now here in the search bar of it, you just have to simply search for XRP. Now once you are able to find XRP, you need to simply tap on it and then it will redirect you on this page where you just have to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase, or basically that you want to spend in order to purchase XRP. So the minimum amount is $5 for purchase. So you just have to enter the amount and it will show you the equivalent amount of XRP that you will get. Now you need to select the payment option, and by default it will select the recommended payment option for you, that is best. But if you want to change it, you can even tap on the payment method section and select your desirable payment method. Once you are done, you just have to simply tap on the buy option and then it will redirect you on the provider's website. For the sake of this transaction, Trust Wallet selected ramp network, so this may be differ according to your country. So in my country it is showing me this. So you just have to again enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase XRP. Afterwards, you just have to simply press continue in the bottom, and on this platform you will have to create your account. So you need to provide some of your personal details like your email address and some payment information as well. So you just have to simply do that and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is done, you will be able to receive your XRP in your Trust Wallet in no time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.